My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing two Boxycharm base boxes. These are both, what are they now, 25 each. So I'm really looking forward to these because in some of the sneak peeks I saw Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. So, you know. Oh, and can I just say, thank God Trump is not president. All right, back to the unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got in both of these Boxycharm boxes, did I get a bunch of duplicates? Hopefully not. But if I did, that's great for you guys because I'll put it in a giveaway. And yeah, just see what I got for the month of November. Then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let YouTube's algorithm know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like. All right, so let's get right into this. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, the first product, the law of attraction, is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. A 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone. Oh, there's only one shimmer. Warm toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes. Okay, so we got Aya, Jasper, Thorn, Amara, and Shine. Okay, that would be a really pretty, like, all matte look, though. And then this for the lid. Ooh. I mean, I love Natasha Denona shadows for the shimmers, not for the mattes, though, if I'm being 100% honest. So this retails for $48. All right. Next is, this Dr. Brandt antioxidant spray toner with green and white tea extract. So it protects against free radicals, leaves skin revitalized, and improves skin's barrier. I like that it's a spray because right now I don't have any cotton rounds, so I haven't been using my toner. So I think it's really awesome that it's in a spray. This retails for $40. Next is, I think I chose this. This is the Jouer Cosmetics Lip Enhancer. Infused with good for you, clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. So this retails for $17. I actually bought this like years ago, and it is a really, really good lip moisturizer. So next we have this half-caked, oh that's cute, Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. Fondant? I don't know what that is. All right, so it says these lip fondant liquid lipsticks go on with a feather-light texture and dry completely matte. All right, and it retails for $32. So we got 3 shades here. I think that packaging is adorable. We have like kind of a rosy pink nude, kind of like a mauve, and then a red. I actually think I'm going to keep these for a giveaway because I have so many lip products that I'm sure are similar to these, so yes. And last is this Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primera Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. A water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. Okay, so it's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter. This retails for $15. Okay, I'm always down to try a new like glitter pigment base. Right now I just use my NYX glitter glue, which I love, but I'll see how this is. I don't know if I said it was $15 or not, but my variation box number is 32. And I think that was a really good box. I would add up, I'm gonna have to add up the total retail value at the end because my camera is broken and I'm using my phone to record right now, so I can't really get into the calculator. Oh, so guess what's going in a giveaway? The Natasha Denona Peak Palette. So I'm not going to open it again. You guys just saw it, but this one will definitely be going in a giveaway. Retails for $48. All right, next is this Earth Harbor Naturals Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. Named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun, Helios, Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule is an almighty ambrosia brimming with ultra-reparative plant stem cells and a fountain of youth-preserving red algae. Okay, restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. So this retails for $48. Okay. Ooh, this next one I know I chose. I love this product so much. And it is the Benefit Give Me Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. Oh, I love this product so much. This tinted eyebrow gel contains tiny microfibers that adhere to skin and hairs, creating natural looking fullness and definition. And this retails for $24. I needed a new one of these, and when I saw that it was on choice, I was like, hell yeah. Just in time, Boxycharm. Okay. Next, we have this Beauty Creations Boudoir eyeshadow palette. Okay, this lace trim palette is the definition of rich, warm tones. It's made up of 9 shades to take you from your everyday look to an intense smoky eye. Oh, okay. It's actually a really pretty eyeshadow palette. I might put that in a giveaway. All right, next is this Jessica Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. Me, the perfect under eye brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. This lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish. Ooh, you guys know I love my under eye brighteners. I actually did a video of how to conceal your dark under eye circles. So I am always wanting to try new ones, even though what I've been trying now I love. That's actually like a salmon, like we're really going there with the color corrector. Okay, I don't know how I feel about it being that peach, but I will definitely try it. Okay. All right, so let me calculate the retail value for these babies. Okay, so for the box that I just opened, the second box, the retail value is $149, and that version or variation is number 8. And then the first box I opened, the retail value is $152. I think that both boxes are really good. I'm super excited that I got 2 Natasha Denona palettes because I was really wanting to be able to give one away to you guys. And yeah, I'm super excited about the spray toner. I really love that Joey lip enhancer, and the Gimme Brow, yes, and that under eye corrector as well. Let me know what you guys think about both my boxes down in the comments below. All right, I will see you in my next video.